Hello everyone, in this video we are going to know about the different stages of UPSC Civil Service examination, how many marks will be there, how many questions will be there. So we are going to get a brief information about it at the end of this video. So there are three main stages in UPSC Civil Service examination: prelims, mains and interview. So prelims is just a qualifying stage. Who are qualified in prelims can write mains. Prelims has two main papers, GS1 and GS2. GS2 is also called as CSAT. So in this prelims paper 1, we are going to have 100 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So total 200 marks. You will lose 0.66 marks for each wrong answer and time limit will be of 2 hours. Generally, it is conducted in the morning 9:30 to 11:30. GS1 is the most toughest paper when compared to prelim GS paper 2. So the topics are current affairs, history, geography, polity, economy, general science, science and technology, and international relations are the topics of paper 1. And paper 2 has 80 questions. Each question carries 2.5 marks, so total 200 marks. Negative marking 0.83 marks. You will lose 0.83 for each wrong answer. So time limit is also for 2 hours. Afternoon 2:30 to 4:30 on the same day of examination of prelims paper 1. Paper 2 is just a qualifying paper. In this prelims paper 2 you have comprehension, interpersonal skills, communication, logical reasoning, decision making, problem solving, general and mental ability, and basic numeracy. GS paper 2 is just a qualifying paper of prelims. You need to get 66 marks in it. The second stage of examination is mains. People who are qualified in prelims can write mains. Mains is a most important part in the civil service examination. It has GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4, optional 1, optional 2, essay and language papers. Except language papers, remaining all papers are of 250 marks. Language papers are of 300 marks. Now we are going to see the topics of GS paper 1. History, geography, art and culture will be there in GS1, and in GS2, polity, governance, constitution, social justice and international relations. In GS paper 3 we have economy, technology, biodiversity, environment, security and also disaster management. In GS paper 4 we have ethics, integrity and aptitude. So now the most important topic is optional. Optional 1 and optional 2. There are 48 optional subjects. You can choose any one of it out of your interest. Optional plays a very important role in this stage. So you can gain more marks in this optional. So choose it very wisely. The next stage is essay. In this essay, you need to write essay on given topics. Each question is of 125 marks. So you need to write about 2 essays. Next, we are going to know about language papers. In these language papers, English is a compulsory language for everyone and any Indian language. That could be your mother tongue also. You need to get just 25%, which means 75 marks in each paper. These are just qualifying papers. Language marks are not considered into your total marks. The next stage of exam is interview. Interview is also called as personality test. People who are qualified in mains can go for interview. In this interview, you will be interviewed for at least 30 to 40 minutes by the interview panel and you will be assigned marks. Now we are going to have quick recap on what we have discussed in this video. Hope this recap will be useful for you. Prelims. Prelims has 2 papers in it, each of 200 marks, so total 400 marks. Mains is of 9 papers, but 2 language papers are not considered to your total marks, so I am not considering them. So total 7 papers of 1750 marks. Interview is first 275 marks. The mains marks plus interview marks are 2025 marks. You need to get at least 1000 marks to get selected as a civil servant. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel if you like the content.